We're gonna go walk in the beach. Ay, Rosie.
Butang ni sa luyong ka.
Ano sa mana?
Wala kay space.
Take a break in hotel for a few hours. And then we continue to walk in the beach.
Yeah.
Kabrot long pa.
Dili ka pag kumain yun yung kaon. Kuan nang gahi ra ba yung kumagmao ma'am. Aga.
No, yawa ay pag inugdaghan. No, finish.
You got nowhere to sunbathe. Oh, the new house. Our picture here.
Too crowded.
Oh, Cyprus Beach. It's nice, but a lot of people.
Oh, later.
We're gonna walk across over there in the island and cross it in there. Oh my God, so crowded. Obi, it's deep or what? Very clear.
Gonna carry go to another side?
Yeah, you're gonna cross over there.
Over there more quiet.
So we can sit until evening, over there.
Boy?
They can go, they're just short.
Hello, Kiri.
So let's go, Rosie. Hang on, Joy. Yeah, it's okay. Adventure. Look. It's not deep. It's nice. Rồi, chơi. It's nice. It's not deep. Look very clear. Very clear. Joy, take me some. It's already video. Just turn over.
Turn over here?
Yeah, a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
Why?
Stop close now. You're gonna walk across over there. Can play the water.
Yeah. The cell phone made fall. Oh my God. Oh, careful. Bye bye.
Very nice and clear water. You can walk across.นะคนแบบเยอะมากทุกคนทางนู้นดูดิคนแบบมันหนอนเลยอ่ะมันสามารถเดินผ่านทรายตรงนี้มันไม่ลึกนะประมาณหัวเข่าเดิน cross มาฝั่งไอแลนด์ทางนี้ได้แล้วมานั่งฝั่งนี้ไปกันหมดแล้วน้ำใสมากเลยทุกคนอ่ะมีปลาตัวเล็กๆด้วยนี่น่าละคนถึงเยอะบีชนี้มันสวยไงดูทางนี้ดิคนยังกระหนอนมีปลาตัวเล็กๆอยู่แล้วพวกเราก็ถึงบอกแล้วIs it here? But over there, up there, the views. I will walk over there to see, take picture.
Mag-swimming sa ta?
Oh, over there as well, we can walk around. Very green, isn't it?
Where's that? Me there.
Yeah. ทุกคนเยอะมากข้างหลัง very a lot of people. Yeah, you do that. I walk here in a hill a bit. The view up there is nice. คนแบบมันอย่างก็นอนเลย
I'll get a hold in it.
Yes. Just do around. Oh, this. That one. Come to see up here. What they call it? Unstable cliff 8-inch. Attention dangerous. Oh. setting. Oh, there's some people that go sit there. Sit here, take your picture.
Here, okay.
Oh, the rock. คนเขาก็ไปนั่งชิลกันแถวนั้นฮะ 1 minute and sorry ฮะ Oh you going down No darling Are you sure I cannot come up
We can come up here.
Huh? I'm so scared You going? I'll take picture for you here. Be careful. You got a hole in there. Nam sai, mi clear, blue. You coming? มันเดินมาดูวิวบนเขาเนาะ Nice แล้วก็จะมีคนที่เขาเล่นน้ำทางนู้นกันเยอะแยะเลยเสียงดังเสียงเพลงRosie over there so me and Nina come up here
Like a mountain.
yeah mountain see the view this side come this side The blue sea is nice like a cliff up there ไม่ไปหรอกกลัว Daring we stand here
Oh, that's a reason.
yeah great คนนั้นยืนทำอะไรกัน Sun's nearly what time now darling 6 o'clock isn't it okay เพลงมันมากทางโน้นเป็นบาร์นะบาร์บีชเดี๋ยวเดินลงไปก่อน You okay?
Where have you been? I was looking for you.
We go up there. See the view around up there. You been there? I called you. You didn't hear me. ตอนเราเหนื่อยแล้วเรานั่งชมวิวตรงนี้ดีกว่าเราไม่เล่นน้ำหรอกมันร้อนมากเลยอ่ะ It's so hot. It's that beach. It's not really big. It's just there. It's not really big beach. So crowded. Lots of people coming in there.
Don't talk to me auntie like that.
Okay guys, I think today we're gonna go back home and finish trip just here. Sun gonna be set soon, so Rosie, you still enjoying crying there. We're gonna go back hotel. See you next clip. Bye. ทุกคนตะวันตกดินเริ่มตะวันตกดินแล้วเราเดินกลับดีกว่าเดี๋ยวไปตรงรูปปั้นอีกเนาะ sculpture ตรงนั้น